Welcome to 226 Duskywing Way in Oakville. Welcome to this fantastic Lakeshore Woods freehold townhome with fantastical, flexible floor plan. As you enter the foyer, it opens to the entertaining living or dining room, which leads to the open kitchen and breakfast area. The clean white kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, island, and opens to the breakfast area. Walk out to a large deck with your natural gas barbecue. The main floor is completed with laundry room, powder room, and greatroom with cathedral ceilings, cozy gas fireplace, and the same rich hardwood floors that you find throughout the main floor. The rich wood flooring is carried through to the solid oak staircase that leads you to the second level with two generous bedrooms with two full baths. Professionally finished lower level creates potential for rec room office with a 4-piece bath and a walkout to fenced backyard. With approximately 2,300 square feet of finished living space, this is your opportunity to move into this highly sought-after neighborhood. Welcome to Lakeshore Woods community, offering wooded trails, sports parks, playground, short walk to the lake, and easy access to major highways and 2 GO stations. Call today for your private viewing.